San Diego, named after a whale's vagina. Wow, look at this, guys. This is sick. So what is going on? Welcome to a very overdue video. I am in Los Angeles, California, and I'm here at Madness, the US masters of Italian car tuning, Abarth, and of course Alfa Romeos. I'm gonna go and have a look here, flip the camera around and check it out. Hey! Let's go inside. Got some nice rims, got some Abarth exhaust here. Oh, some very tasty cars. US muscle, European. Hey, how's it going?
Good, nice to meet you.
Touch
Very nice to
it.
meet you. Thank you for coming to see us.
Oh my goodness, it is an absolute honor and pleasure to be here at Madness AUTOWORKS in Los Angeles, California. Very cool, very cool. Let's flip the camera around. So this is a very special Abarth. It's Elton John's drummer's Abarth. It's been heavily modified by 500 Madness. Looks amazing. I love the center exhaust at the back. Very cool, guys. So yeah, I'm absolutely kind of, you know, I wanted to get this in before I left the US.
This is one of those pit stops you had to make.
Yeah, I've been in the US for 2 weeks, guys, driving a Ford Focus. It's horrendous. Really missing the QV, but absolutely loving it here. Unfortunately, you've seen the Abarths out the front. There's nothing inside to see.
Yeah, you came to us when we had hand in hand. We're doing a bunch of other stuff, but I don't have a bunch of fun Abarths ready. I wish I would have known.
I know, it was so spontaneous. I just thought, you know, why not? So, how long have you guys been here? This isn't the main Madness place, is
so it was. We started here, Signal Hill, and it's been at this location, I think, about 12 years now. So fortunately, we've been able to grow with the support of some of the viewers and some people like yourself just doing cool stuff with the cars, getting the passion and the culture in. And we just opened up about 4 years ago a spot in Texas, just outside of Austin.
Cool.
So now they're our main hub for shipping across the country because everything's really close and local. And here we do a lot of the repair with people that come with their Smarts, their Fiats, FCA vehicles, just to kind of give them a little madness.
I love it. So Texas, next on the list of places to visit.
Yes, if you have time, maybe you just get a little layover right outside of Austin.
Yeah, Austin, Texas. So Madness for me is you know, one of the obviously very famous tuners that did Abarths from the beginning. In the UK, we have TMC Motorsport.
Yes.
I think you guys work with them quite closely. Also, I know about Torque Motorsports. I don't know if they're still going around or not. Not seen any of those videos, you know, of the 124, which was meant to be getting a QV engine.
Yes.
Still, I'm sure all my viewers will be wondering what's happening with that. Comment below if you know. But yeah, obviously now, so I had the 500, I had some Madness stuff, and the tuning box, pedal kit, that was brilliant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Then I had the 124 Spider. I actually had a Decat from Torque. And I know there was stuff, you guys did stuff as well. That sounded nuts. If you haven't seen that, check that out on my channel. But also just wanted to give a quick shout out. It's a super quick video. I just wanted to get here.
Yes.
And meet Art and see the madness, magic. But the website, it is sick. The parts on the Madness website.
Yeah.
What is it? madnessautoworks.com?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
And
if you have a 500, it's 500 Madness. We have an Alpha Affair. If you have a Renegade, we have Renegade Ready. So we kind of have a plethora of everything. Whatever suits you, we have something dedicated with an established website for each individual.
I'm loving the carbon bits and all of the tuning modules that these guys have.
Yes.
And obviously they've got the very kind of out there parts that you can't necessarily get anywhere else. But yeah, it's been a pleasure. Short and sweet. A shame not to see any mad Julia QVs or Stelvios. But yeah, absolute honour to be here in the Madness Garage where it all began.
Thank you for coming to see us. We
thanks
appreciate
very much,
it.
mate.
Have a safe flight.
Yeah.
And go Rams.
Go Rams. Peace. As always, love you lots. I'll see you on the next one. How cool is this? Madness merch. Art, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much for having me on the channel. Guys, if you give this a like, I will give away these stickers. I've got at least 5 of them there. So the first people to comment below, let me know. You get a sticker. Peace. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, give me a like, comment below, and of course, check out Madness AUTOWORKS. Peace.